the highlighters. From Korea, made in Korea. And these are the bookmarks you can use. Plug in inside your pages. And these are the sticky notes. Okay. Show you the notes of different subjects. The whole 19 subjects notes included in this box. So first one is the ENT notes. Okay. Forensic medicine, ophthalmology, community medicine. You got two notes, 2 volumes are there. Pediatrics, surgery, taught by Rohan Khandelwal sir. Just 2 volumes of surgery notes. Psychiatry, anesthesia, aesthetic, all these top, the front cover is, this one is dermatology, this anatomy, radiology, orthopedics, orthopedician. These notes are so concise that the line by line videos, they match with the videos line by line. So you should have all these notes if you are a Marrow user. Medicine volume 1, this is. Medicine contains 3 volumes. Here you can see like medicine volume 2, medicine volume 3, obstetrics, and this one is obstetrics. 2 volumes are there. Here you can see the piling of all these notes. So if you put your heart into it, then you will go at PG seat and you will become a great doctor. And this one is microbiology, volume 1 and volume 2. Here you can see pathology. Today we have seen a Hodgkin's lymphoma patient, so Ila Jan ma'am taught us in a great way, and these are the notes which you can see here. Pathology, Hodgkin's ma'am taught all those facts in Pharmacology, which all about drugs, functions of your body parts in Physiology. आप सभी देख सकते हैं, इतने सारे नोट्स पढ़ने के बाद ही आप डॉक्टर बनते हैं. Like you can see the things, all the books you have to read in just 1 year of your internship. If you are in your internship, and if you are MBBS going student, then you have to start from your first year. The concepts are interrelated with each other. If you leave anatomy, you can't read properly ENT and Ophtha, so you have to put your heart into this. So thank you.